Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I'd Known video. A lot of times our customers call us, they're not sure exactly what they want. They've been doing a lot of research, they want a travel trailer or fifth wheel. Some people are really close, back and forth, but a lot of times after they buy the fifth wheel and go to trade it in or sell it themselves, they tell us, I wish I'd have known that travel trailers outsold fifth wheels about 6 to 1. So this is us telling you that travel trailers outsell fifth wheels about 6 to 1. So what does that mean? Well, it's easier to sell a travel trailer when you're done using it. Now, if you put a travel trailer on the market, there's obviously a lot more people in the travel trailer market. If you put it on Facebook Marketplace, if you put it on rvtrader.com, two of the most popular ones, even if you put it in your yard for sale, right, or a place of business, you have a lot better, quicker chance of selling a travel trailer historically than you would a fifth wheel. Doesn't mean you can't sell the fifth wheel. If you buy a good brand name fifth wheel, you'll be able to sell it as well pretty darn quick. But travel trailers, there's just a lot more of them. The market's a lot larger, so it's a lot easier to sell them. The other thing is you can usually make a little bit more on them because of the competition, out there and the number of people looking for them. So just something for you to think about. Again, I wouldn't discourage you from a fifth wheel, but we like to give you the facts. Travel trailers outsell fifth wheels about 6 to 1 every year. If you have any questions, give us a call, 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and go there for all kinds of informational videos, all kinds of how-tos, things like that. And make sure you follow us on Facebook.